Well, as most families prepare to gather around the table for Thanksgiving, it's important to remember that family looks different for many people.
When crisis strikes, relatives and close friends often step in with very little warning to care for children who suddenly need a safe place to land.
Anchor Denise Valdez takes us inside the Foster Kinship program, a nonprofit helping caregivers get the resources they need during the most chaotic moment of their lives.
Everything changed from that moment on.
For Ann Kellington, it started with an unexpected phone call.
My daughter was being arrested, and could I take the children?
And you have an hour.
And I have an hour.
Her grandsons, ages 2 and 4, needed her. Their mom was in jail, and they were headed to county custody.
Thankfully, Foster Kinship was the first one who reached out to me, because they've just changed our lives.
You're gonna hang out with me for a little bit.
Local nonprofit Foster Kinship helps families get their bearing and navigate the system during a chaotic time. Ann and her grandsons, who we are not identifying, have been in the program since early last year.
And that's how we've built our programs over the last 15 years, is we are here to meet the needs from the people in front of us.
Founder Ali Caliendo started Foster Kinship 15 years ago after realizing the county wasn't able to offer caregivers all the help they deserved.
It was really shocking to find out that they were not receiving training, they were not getting paid, and in fact the majority of these kids didn't even have a caseworker with the county because they're not even in our foster care system. But these kids have all the same needs as children in foster care.
Caliendo, a foster parent herself, recognized right away a more complete support system was desperately needed, crafting a customized case plan to increase stability and well-being and decrease stress and uncertainty.
Let's look at all the kids who aren't living with their parents in our state and make sure that we're providing resources so that we can work upstream and solve problems, but we're not leaving a majority of families out on their own. That's not right.
It's a comprehensive approach. In the short term, legal paperwork, financial assistance, even clothes and shoes. But long-term programs address healing. Families are in crisis, and it shows up in obvious and unexpected ways.
Oh, it was devastating. They yelled and screamed and fought about everything. They both had such OCD behaviors.
The system and staff at Foster Kinship are equipped to handle whatever comes through their door.
Maybe some families are more heavy on the mental health services. Maybe some families need more respite and childcare. Maybe some families need something totally different.
Paula Martinez is Director of Strategic Engagement and says the problems and challenges are more common than they think.
Unfortunately, there's also a little bit of embarrassment because each of our families think that they're the only ones going through this situation. But the truth is, across Nevada, there's 30,000 children living in kinship care, and it is so common.
Clients may be here 2 months or 2 years. As long as there's a need, Foster Kinship will be there. All the services are free and available to anyone parenting a relative or adopted child in Nevada.
Families need and deserve more, and we're just really grateful to be part of that solution.
2, 1, go. Now we can go. Okay, now you're so fast.
For Ann and her grandsons, it was crucial support that made all the difference.
It's thanks to all the programs at Foster Kinship that they've helped us get through this.
Even in crisis, families can get stronger with the right support. Denise Valdez, 8 News Now.
Over the years, the nonprofit has developed partnerships with state and county child welfare agencies and hopes to take their model nationwide one day.